Incon presents a new technology of a multifunctional formwork, a universal mobile factory used for erection of high-quality, cast-in-situ concrete construction. It simplifies your workers' efforts, saves time and money, ensures high quality and convenience in use. All the processes are automated, and you don't need a tower crane. The engineering preparation of the site will be carried out for every specific structure according to climatic area, soil conditions, and location of construction site. On the already completed floor structure, the basic components of the formwork are mounted, starting with the jack frames supported by the metal linkages in which the formwork grids are then incorporated. Install the supports on which the reinforcement coupling devices are placed. After that, the rolling bridge and hydraulic equipment for self-supporting and armature attachment are mounted, followed by the reinforcing cartridges. Set up the work deck on which workers will carry out various operations. Install below it the hydraulic drive equipment of the formwork components. Assemble the modular panels for wall casting and cling them to the lower sides of the jack frames. They are fitted with fixators, telescopic beams, floor planners, door voids, glazing, and corner panels. Position the panels with a distance between them according to the wall thickness. Fasten the inner and outer corner panels. Close the door and window slots. Fix them together with tapered rods. Concrete the walls at the first level. Move the jacks located at the bottom of the jack frames also by hydraulic drive that take over the load from the main cylinder of the mobile plant. Unclip the conical sleeve of the main cylinder rod by turning it around its axis. Remove the main cylinder stem and the conical sleeve over the top of the walls. Concrete the hole left by the sleeve of the hydraulic ram. Unlock and extract the wall panel fasteners, fixing them tightly into their compartments. Remove the outer panels throughout the building's perimeter and position them at the designed thickness of the thermal insulation layer. It can be applied by first casting in vertical position and can be fixed analogously to the concrete walling process. Pour the thermostat. After the solidification of the thermal insulation layer, decouple analogically to the walls. Install the wall reinforcement housings. Support the main cylinder rods on the walls by taking the load from the formwork and releasing the vents. Act hydraulically. The main cylinders raise the plant to the next level. Along with the vertical upward movement, the armature fasteners bind the rebated armature from cartridges with wall reinforcements, and then the process is repeated. Position the telescopic beams to form the floorboards, and fasten them with telescopic holes that are embedded in them. After which, unfold the telescopic ribs embedded in the beams to the adjoining beams which form the supporting frame of the floor formwork. The same principle is applied to the balcony support frame. After that, the inflatable mattresses of special burst-resistant material are laid on concrete chemical agents that have very low adhesion to the hardened concrete. The flooring reinforcement and concrete is followed by the walling concrete. Once the concrete reaches the project resistance, deflate the mattresses to allow a much easier stripping of the floors, incorporating the posts into the beam. Open the door and window panels, then unlock the corner panels. After lifting 3 levels, the working bridge is installed for the finishing work of the facade. Right after finishing the last level of the building, the formwork is dismantled, analogically to the mounting. Because of the modular structure, when dismantling, it is not necessary to use complex dismantling equipment, such as the tower crane. With this innovational type of formwork, we have the possibility to raise buildings with complex architectural shapes quickly and qualitatively. Application of proposed technology makes possible to achieve high performance of construction. It allows repeated application of formwork up to 300 times. Reduction of the formwork cost by 10%. Increase of construction productivity by 20 times. Reduction of self-cost by up to 30%.